welcome to Me Rice. Today we are going to cook rice pulao for Ramadan festival. We have uploaded a video for beef rice pulao too. Check on our YouTube channel. Required ingredients are 5 kilograms basmati rice, 25 cloves, 150 grams garlic, 500 grams onions, 500 grams tomatoes, 15 cinnamon leaves, 250 grams ghee, 100 grams ginger, 10 green chili, half curd, 25 grams cardamom, salt, water. Make the ginger and garlic paste. Slice the onions and tomatoes. Wash the rice properly. Let's prepare the pan. Washing is finished. Add the ghee. Add the cloves. Add the cardamom. Add the cinnamon leaves. Add the required amount of oil for frying. Fry until cinnamon leaves color change. Add the garlic and ginger paste. Add cardamom. Add onions. Add tomatoes. Add green chili. Add curd. Add salt. Add water. Boil for 5 minutes. Add the rice. Do you know that we have uploaded several videos on Me Rice YouTube channel? Please watch them if you're interested and comment, like, subscribe and touch on bell button. Add half liter of water after 30 minutes. Cooking is about to finish. Finished cooking the 5 kilograms of rice pulao for Ramadan festival. Pulao is ready to serve, and please like, comment and subscribe if you're interested in our video. Thank you so much for watching the video.